Welcome to my channel. My name is Rajan Saini. I have cleared IBPS PO as well as IBPS clerk simultaneously in my very first attempt. This video is bilingual. ये वीडियो हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में है. In this video, I am going to share the simplified method which I use while dealing with fractions involved in a question belonging to the topic of mixture and alligation. इस वीडियो में मैं mixture and alligations के questions जिनमें fractions involved होती हैं उन्हें solve करने का अपना simplified method share करूँगा. Here you can see I have taken a very basic example of a mixture and alligation question for illustration which contains percentages which can be easily converted into fractions, and we are just required to calculate the ratio as answer for this question. And to make you understand my approach to solve these questions, I am going to interpret the same with its given statement one by one. An alloy X containing 50% gold is formed by melting two metals A and B, यानी दो मेटल A और B जिनको मेल्ट करके alloy X को बनाया गया है जिसमें 50% गोल्ड है. Metal A contains 66 2/3% gold while metal B contains 40% gold. मेटल A में गोल्ड का परसेंटेज 66 2/3 है और मेटल B में गोल्ड का परसेंटेज 40% है. Now the question requires you to find out the ratio in which metal A and metal B are mixed to form the alloy X. इसमें अब रेशियो निकालना है जिसके अकॉर्डिंग मेटल A और मेटल B को मिक्स करके alloy X को बनाया गया है. Now I will discuss the method to solve it quickly by using the approach presented at the right hand side of this slide. अब मैं इसको बिना ज़्यादा सोचे जल्दी से सॉल्व करने का मेथड डिस्कस करूँगा जिसकी रिप्रेजेंटेशन मैंने राइट हैंड साइड पे की है, जो है न्यूमरेटर ऑफ द फ्रैक्शंस टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद द डिनोमिनेटर्स ऑफ अदर टू फ्रैक्शंस. Here for metal A, numerator of the fraction is 2 and denominators of other fractions are 5 and 2. Following the same fashion for metal B, the numerator of the fraction is 2 and the denominators of the other two fractions are 3 and 2. Similarly, alloy X के लिए fraction का numerator है 1 and बाकी दो fractions के denominators होंगे 3 और 5. Now by doing the multiplication of these items, we get 20 for A and 12 for B and और X के लिए 15. At the end, by applying the concept of mixture and alligation, we simply can get the answer, our final answer as ratio 3:5. Here you can clearly observe that by applying this approach that I have represented at the right hand side of the slide, that is written as n multiplied by d and again multiplied by d, which represents the two denominators of other fractions, and n is representing the numerator for the particular fractions. We have eliminated the process of calculating LCM to deal with these fractions, which makes this method much faster to derive this ratio as our final answer. ये अप्रोच जो मैंने राइट हैंड साइड पे मेंशन किया है, इस अप्रोच को अप्लाई करने से आप क्लियरली ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हो कि हमें फ्रैक्शंस के साथ डील करते हुए एलसीएम निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी और हम डायरेक्ट कैलकुलेशन करके अपना फाइनल आंसर इन रेशियो की फॉर्म में निकाल सकते हैं. You can take a snapshot of this image so as to always remember what I just explained to you. If you want more such videos to ease your life in examination, do support my channel by subscribing the same. Further, you can watch these two videos. One aims at memorization of fractions and their percentage equivalents, and the other one aims at memorizing of tables up to 40 using an innovative approach. Thanks for watching. This is Rajan Saini signing off.